In the sportsmanship committee, we are looking for ways that we can implement that will be beneficial to the games and the athletic activities around the city.
For about a couple of months, we've been meeting. From all 3 schools, we've been gathering all our thoughts, figuring out how we feel about sportsmanship, what we need to better or what can be improved on.
At the games, it's getting really bad with sportsmanship and fighting, and then people just doing obnoxious things. The parents and the fans, they don't know how to be just fans. They feel like they have the right to say stuff to coaches or discipline the officials if they don't like the call.
After the games, if people if they lose and they incite fights or whatnot.
You're going to come up with 8 words or phrases, just 8.
She comes up with creative activities that we do that gets our brains flowing.
Getting our creativity going so we can figure out how we can stop bad sportsmanship, period, at all. Personally, I do still want the fun in games, but the bad sportsmanship I do want, going.
Ultimate goal is to come up with a plan, an idea to make sports fun again.
I feel like the way we can fix it, we have to implement the work that we're doing here. We have to make sure that it gets around. We have to make sure there are consequences so it can stop. It's just a game at the end of the day. It's a match set up between 2 opponents, and whoever wins, wins, whoever loses, loses, and we need to respect that. And that goes for fans, coaches, the players, and the officials.